Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the case of Sabit Yanuzi, Ismet Batyari, and Haji Shala, KSC President Ekaterina Trendafilova on 5th of April assigned a constitutional court panel to decide on the accused's referral challenging the registrar's change in the KSC's legal aid regulations. The Constitutional Court panel consists of the judges Vidar Stensland, Rumen Nenkov, and Romina Inchuti. On the 8th of April, the pretrial judge ordered the continued detention of Sabit Yanuzi and Haji Shala. He found that for both accused, the risk of flight, the risk of obstructing the progress of proceedings, as well as the risk of committing further crimes continues to exist, especially considering that with the disclosure process progressing, the accused have an increased access to sensitive information. On 8th of April, President Trendafilova rejected the request by the Thaçi defense to disqualify or substitute Judge Nicholas Guiu as single judge. The request was made on the background that Judge Guiu was sworn in as a judge for the International Criminal Court on the 8th of March 2024. He will exercise his judicial functions at the ICC as of the 19th of August 2024. Mr. Thaçi had argued, among other things, that Judge Guiu's independence is affected as he answers to two courts and that the need to prepare for the cases he will be seized of at the International Criminal Court will render him unavailable for the work of the KSC. The President found that her competence to substitute a judge cannot be triggered unless that judge becomes unable to perform his or her duties, and this is not the case with respect to Judge Guiu, as he will only exercise his judicial functions at the International Criminal Court as of the 19th of August 2024. She further found that Mr. Thaçi had advanced no arguments that Judge Guiu's work as a single judge or his independence has been impacted, and that no judge may be disqualified on the basis of sweeping or abstract allegations that are neither substantiated nor detailed. She concluded that Judge Guiu's availability to exercise his functions as single judge is a matter for the President to assess and is administrative in nature and not subject to appeal by the parties. The next hearing in the Thaçi et al. Case is scheduled to take place on the 22nd of April, starting at 9 in the morning. In the case of Piotr Shala, the closing statements will take place next week from the 15th to the 18th of April, with the prosecution starting with their closing statements on the 15th and 16th of April, followed by the closing statements of victims' counsel and defense. Mr. Shala will make a statement after the parties and victims' counsel have completed their submissions. Once the presiding judge has declared the case closed, the judges of the trial panel will deliberate confidentially in order to reach a judgment on each of the charges in the indictment. The trial judgment shall be pronounced within 90 days of the closing of the case unless the circumstances require additional time.